Hey, how you guys doing? And welcome back to You Are Credit Now. Okay, guys, if you've never been here before, I'm excited to have you guys. Here on our channel, we talk about financial empowerment and how to take back that power and learn how to build wealth using your credit score, guys. We like to empower. We like to help people get to the next level. So before we get started, guys, if you like my content, please go ahead and hit the like button. Please feel free to comment. And please, please, please hit that subscribe button so that you'll be the first one to get the information as we come out with it, guys. Like I said, today we're going to be dropping some jewels. But first, let me hit you with a disclaimer. Guys, the information that I'm going to be sharing with you today is information that has either worked for myself or has worked for others, and other people as well as me have seen results on it. So that's my disclaimer. So it doesn't mean that the information that I'm giving you doesn't work. I just have to give you that disclaimer. Everybody's results will differ. Let's go ahead and hop right to it, guys. First gem of the day: how to increase your credit score 50 to 100 points. The first one, or the first thing I'm going to tell you about, make sure you get your notepad and your pen. The first company that I'm going to go ahead and speak with you guys about is going to be Rent Reporters, guys. If you haven't or you don't know about Rent Reporters, guys, there's going to be a link below anyway. What Rent Reporters do, guys, is it reports to at least 2 credit bureaus. It reports your rent, and it goes all the way back 2 years. Okay, that's going to help you get some history on your report. So if you've been paying your rent on time and you've been doing a phenomenal job with it, guys, this is going to give you the opportunity to get all that history added right onto your credit report. Another company besides Rent Reporters that you can also use is Rent Karma, and they go back as well as 2 years as well. And all these companies do is they report your rent payments. It's going to be a small fee, but they're going to call your landlord and they're going to be able to verify with them so that you can get the history put on your credit report, guys. The second thing, or the second gem I'm going to drop for you today, that will allow you to increase your credit score from 50 to 100 points is going to be, guess what? Okay, it's going to be pay down your credit card, guys. Okay, paying down your credit card is so important. We know that utilization counts as 30%. It counts as debt owed. Okay, so it plays a big part of your credit report. So in order for you to boost your credit score by 50 to 100 points in as little as 30 to 45 days, you have to pay on your credit card aggressively, taking down those balances. In order to do that, guys, you got to know a couple of things. You got to know your due date, your statement date, and your report date. These are the 3 days you live and die by, guys. So please, please, please pay down your credit card. The third gem that we're going to be talking about today is becoming an authorized user. Guys, becoming an authorized user can significantly raise your credit score. And how it can raise your credit score is that it will allow you to hop on somebody else's card who has a very good payment history and a long history of a credit card with a decent limit, and you will be able to get all their history. It's called piggybacking, guys. So in order for you to become an authorized user, I really, really recommend that you ask one of your family members who you know is financially responsible and have been financially responsible with their credit cards. whose utilization is under 15%, who has a zero, who has zero missed payment history on that credit card. They would be the people that I would ask to become an authorized user. Let them know you're not going to be using the card. It's just to help you boost your credit 50 to 100 points. Next thing, if you don't have access to someone who can allow you to become an authorized user, then I would say you can purchase a trade line. There's plenty of trade line companies out there. You have to be careful, but keep in mind that when buying these trade lines, you got to know who you're buying it from. Then you have to know what's the age of the account. Then you have to know how much is the credit limit, and then from there you also should know or make sure you understand what the utilization is on that card. So you could go those two routes to becoming an authorized user. Not only that, but for you guys who don't have any of that and who won't have access to any of that, I'm gonna hit you with gem number 4. Okay, gem number 4 is, guys, you can usually get a department card. I would recommend this company called My Jewelers Club. And what this company does is actually a jewelry company or department store that will allow you or give you access to their store and give you a no credit check $5,000 limit that you can add onto all 3 bureaus. I mean, this reports to all 3 bureaus. The only thing with My Jewelers Club is that it wants $100 fee up front to join, as well as you gotta buy at least $100 worth of merchandise before they approve you for the trade line. However, they have you put up half of this up front and then they finance the rest. Guys, this My Jeweler Club can definitely raise your credit score anywhere from 50 to 100 points. Like I said, it may differ depending on what's on your credit score. But what I would do if I was you is I would take some of these tips, I would merge some of them together, maybe use 1 or 2 of them and put them together and see what I get. Please, 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 if you like the content that you heard, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Whenever you get the opportunity, have a good day.